Welcome to Quizzes and Facts. How to play. There are 20 Christmas quiz questions. Choose an option and wait for the timer to run out. The answer is displayed with a trivia information. Keep track of your score and let us know how you did in the comments. Lastly, enjoy yourself and the quiz. What date is Christmas celebrated on? Two, December 25th. In 336 AD, Rome chose December 25th to celebrate Christmas, likely to align with winter festivals like Sol Invictus and Saturnalia. This strategic date helped Christianize pagan customs, eventually becoming the global standard for the holiday. Who wrote the novel A Christmas Carol? Two, Charles Dickens. Published December 19, 1843, Charles Dickens's A Christmas Carol was an instant hit. It's credited with fundamentally shaping modern Western Christmas traditions, popularizing themes of charity, goodwill, and family gatherings. Which Christmas single holds the record for the most physical copies sold of all time? Three, White Christmas. Bing Crosby's 1942 classic White Christmas is the best-selling holiday single ever, with 50 million-plus physical copies sold. Recognized by Guinness World Records, it's also the best-selling physical single of all time across all genres. Which of these countries celebrates Christmas on January 7th? One, Russia. Russia celebrates Christmas on January 7th because the Russian Orthodox Church follows the Julian calendar. This calendar runs 13 days behind the Gregorian calendar used in most of the world, shifting major religious holidays to later dates. What is Santa Claus called in France? Four, Père Noël. In France, Santa Claus is known as Père Noël, meaning Father Christmas. The name became widely used in the 19th century, blending Christian traditions with older European folklore. Children often leave shoes by the fireplace for him to fill with gifts instead of hanging stockings. In Spain, what festive activity takes place on December 22nd? Four, El Gordo Lottery. On December 22nd, Spain holds El Gordo, the world's largest lottery draw by total prize money. Dating back to 1812, it's broadcast live, with school children singing the winning numbers as families gather to watch together. What dome-shaped Milanese sweetbread is traditionally eaten in Italy at Christmas? One, Panettone. Panettone originated in Milan and is known for its tall dome shape filled with candied fruit and raisins. Once a luxury treat, it became a Christmas staple across Italy and is now enjoyed worldwide during the holiday season. What is traditionally placed on top of a Christmas tree? Three, an angel or star. A star or angel is traditionally placed atop a Christmas tree. The star represents the Star of Bethlehem that guided the wise men, while angels symbolize the messengers who announced Jesus' birth in the Nativity story. Which country celebrates Christmas with a giant goat called the Gavel goat? Two, Sweden. The Gavel goat is a huge straw goat built each Christmas in Gävle, Sweden since 1966. Inspired by ancient Scandinavian Yule goat traditions, it's famous worldwide because people often try, successfully or not, to burn it down. What country decorates banana and mango trees for Christmas? Three, India. In parts of India, especially in the south, Christmas decorations include banana and mango leaves instead of pine trees. The greenery symbolizes prosperity and life, adapting Christmas traditions to the local climate and culture. Bonus round. Which bird is traditionally eaten at Christmas in the UK? Know the answer? Tell us in the comments section below. Enjoying the quiz? Why not give us a like and subscribe for more content like this? Which country is famous for the Christmas character Krampus? One, Austria. Krampus is a horned anthropomorphic figure from Austrian folklore who punishes naughty children during Christmas. Celebrated in alpine regions, Krampus parades and festivals combine scary masks, costumes, and traditional rituals alongside St. Nicholas. What shape are traditional Christmas wreaths? Four, circular. Traditional Christmas wreaths are circular, symbolizing eternity and the unending cycle of life. Made from evergreen branches, they represent hope and everlasting life, often decorated with ribbons, berries, and ornaments to celebrate the festive season. Which Christmas song contains the line, "God and sinners reconciled"? Two, Hark, the herald angels sing. Charles Wesley wrote the lyrics in 1739, originally titled Hark, How All the Welkin Rings. The 1840 tune by Felix Mendelssohn was first meant to honor the printing press. The line, God and sinners reconciled, reflects the Nativity's theme of divine peace. Which Christmas movie stars Jim Carrey as a green character? Two, How the Grinch Stole Christmas. Jim Carrey played the green, grouchy Grinch in How the Grinch Stole Christmas, 2000. His performance required heavy makeup that took hours to apply and became one of the most recognizable portrayals of the character in holiday film history. Which Christmas tradition involves singing door to door? One, caroling. Caroling has roots in medieval Europe, where people sang seasonal songs in public during winter festivals. These early carols were often linked to wassailing, a custom of singing for food, drink, and good fortune. What food is traditionally left out for Santa's reindeer? Three, carrots. Carrots are left for Santa's reindeer, a custom tied to Norse myths of feeding Odin's horse. Popularized in the 1930s to teach gratitude, it now sees 3,000 tons of carrots fueling reindeer annually, despite lichen being their real Arctic diet. What do Christmas stockings symbolize? Four, gifts and generosity. Christmas stockings symbolize gifts and generosity, inspired by the legend of St. Nicholas secretly leaving coins in stockings hung to dry. Over time, they became a symbol of surprise, kindness, and small treasures given during the holiday season. Which European country is credited with starting the Christmas tree tradition? Two, Germany. Germany is credited with starting the Christmas tree tradition in the 16th century, when families decorated evergreen trees with candles and ornaments. The custom later spread across Europe and beyond, becoming a central symbol of Christmas worldwide. What hymn's chorus begins with the line, Gloria in excelsis Deo? One, Angels We Have Heard on High. Angels We Have Heard on High features the Latin line, Gloria in excelsis Deo, meaning glory to God in the highest. The hymn blends French folk melodies with biblical praise, and its soaring chorus is one of the most recognizable in Christmas music. Which country celebrates St. Lucia Day? Three, Sweden. Sweden is the primary country celebrating St. Lucia Day on December 13th. To mark the bearer of light, children in white gowns lead candlelit processions while serving lussekatter, saffron buns. The tradition is also popular in Norway and Denmark. Thank you for playing. How did you do on the quiz? Let us know in the comment section below. Enjoyed the quiz? Give us a thumbs up if you did. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this.